take hardener and clear in the ratio of 2:1. Mix it for 15 minutes. Pour sand in resin and mix it for 5 minutes. The first step is to stick all these pendant molds on the tape and then pour the solution of resin and sand on it. Now pour resin in another glass and then mix it with some white color. Now we will pour resin mixed with white color. Now we will pour some blue color that mix it with resin. Mix it for 5 minutes. Now pour it carefully. Now you can remove the tape. Look how beautiful our pendant looks. If you like this resin art tutorial, so please like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Thank you so much.